Khubor phi baro syakatup Khubor jengi kedon Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kesengi kilong. Poi ke Superior General ki Sister FMA Shillong. Daka MLA Excellence Award penkup buram ke Nongstoin Youth Congress ye kisamla pule. Mi perthai ke Professional Designated Driver Services ha Shillong. Batna Bengaluru rung udamat pang Shillong lajong. Bat mentang impa syaki Khubor bakham benya. Kanong yalam bahakli dua jong kejinga selok ke Sister Solution balo jutip kerteng da ke filie di Maria Auxiliaris FMA ke Reverend Sister Kaira Kezwela, ke Reverend Sister Runita Borja, Counselor jong Kisamla, bat ke Reverend Sister Nilza Fatima Moraes, Counselor ki Kampenroy, kilahir hakat lingsun Guwahati hakapor nok paisngi ke Pratarik Nailur. Lapediang burami kini ki Sister dagi Kinjri Sintiu bala pendeng da ke Reverend Sister Elizabeth George Shillong Provincial bat kiwei ki Sister nongelam jongkani keseng. Ke Sorkar Meghalaya ke lapediang ye ke Reverend Sister Kaira Kezwela kum kanong syakot ngobha ha ke Jylla. Ha ke jingyat linti jongkini ki Sister na Guwahati sya Shillong lapediang burami ki de ki Sister bat kisamla kenthai ha auxilium Sidon bat ha auxilium Mautunu. Kisamla kenthai hakini ki skul artli kila pediang burami kini ki nongyalam da kabariam jwan kum kamada mazerelo kanongseng jong kaseng reuniam ki Sister FMA bat kum ki reungut ki Sister missionary ki belawan yuk kejat ningkong hakilum khasi jaintia haus nem khat khandai spa arpulai kum kadak kajing bat jing pediang burami kini ki nongyalam jong ki Sister FMA kisamla kenthai ki belas siliang banlong reuniam kila tawa ha ki terpeng jong kini ki Sister da ki jainkup baremdor ringkat ki jingruai bas ngothiang na ki rendang jong ki degi tin English bat Italian la pediang burami ki syakini ki lum kari khasi jaintia. Nongstoin Youth Congress ha ka jingis nokti bat ke Eman Charitable Trust ha ka Pratarik Nailur kala pelong ye ka jingelang penkop burami ki samla puli ki belawan syakmat ha ka jing puli da ke MLA Excellence Award arajar arpulai. Ki don lai pu arngut ki samla puli na kathan ki belawan syakmat ha ka jing puli beper kentup iki saungut ki bela yorung ha ka kedan top 20 jong ke eksamen SSLC bat HSSLC ki bela yo ketika award menta kesngi. Ya kini ke jingelang la pelong Bishop Hall Nongstoin ha ka bau Emily ke Nongstoin uba Gabriel Walang ulalong ukongsan ha ka jingedon lang uba Garrett LSN Dykes DC ke West Castle District ubikram sangma SP kinong hikai ki kena school bat kiriu rangba bat kilong kemi. Hadin ke jing penkup buram la penbot seda ke jingelang Youth Career Counselling Fair balawan ban ai jing hikai ki kena school de kiriu Shempang kentup yu ba Manuel Badwar MBA IIM NAKA time Shillong bat Guwahati.
NAKA bentar motivate lebih dan I will say lebih NAKA bentar penuh fikir kasi yang terjadi. Hindai banderan kajinglong ke zomi kabalingkong kadai kajingleran kajingti tanpa berakti pada mengakor pada beliau kajingin menurut ini. Ekonomi face seperti kajing ini seperti yang ada di dalam kebetulan akan tidak itu. Lara pilera intam penrak akti. Naga bentar beriu porlok wahatan tam bakak penlong nomor 1. Nomor berpila sim rupaya jinglang berkado. Sim ya jinglang penlong ningkong ke jing kesoki. Wajib ke berkado. Nada wajib ke berkado hijab nanti. Nala sakama nanti dai handa insom syai kalawe ke soka. Kat kinong kren ibuan kinong kalawe isyong hisana. Anray lalangi ibu kita kijingway kijongi bati om borgor kalawe kali kajombi. Larapi pimsnay kata kalawe. Manoke banbo kata kalawe kajombi. Nilong na jingkar man ko baskar na kata kalawe kajombi. Ikway ibu ka Nongstoin kajingi kan kala lemba kajom start kajombi. Pilay ki ban sainduri ka Nongstoin. Ni bala kame iwan hanis tamanay kijingkren bala yunsil na napor sa kapwa. Kanray banpen gela kalakam duna por kasu hare mama bala banpen gela kadai ki imangi kmelenti ki pa ki nohi kai kmelenti baka imlang kasalang kmelenti na kabanta kuno man saindo ya kane kalawe ya kane constancy wala kane kari ye ki jogi naru hame malam kindia banpen bana la bisafi एक एक बंदा की बात Como Malay sa kanong stoy, kani kani tang nakapunta kanong stoy constituency ang nakran. Ang kran nakapunta giway di constituency. Nano nanay sa kwan, papintip, pati kini kikot ni sa pas school kita pri. Uno ba yo top 10 ala kani class 10, la kani class 12, ka BA, ka BCom, ba yo gold medalist, haki exam, jo postgraduate. Ginay ar 2000 ko kajing kawat na kontajan ki. Uno bapas MCS, lali MPS, bapas ka prelim, tangi ka prelim. Ya ikiro ginay ar 2000 ko man support na konta ka study material. Di bapas ka UPSC, kano ka exam jo ka Indian Civil Service, lali IPS, IS berkibulpa in Indian Civil Service. Nalapas ka prelim, inyo prapo aja. But palakan kantam yang kataru, lada tidak pas tapi ya keprelim. Tangi keprelim. Makin prepare nak kami exam.
Banay kajing syakri na kabenta ki patba ha kalit kawan, uway ni kiriurang ba ka Jylla uba Don Boklang Doling, ula pelat patba ya kaway ka service kabalatip kum ka Professional Designated Driver Services Shillong, banlit syaw lit bu ya kinu ki beriu ki bedon kamban poi syaki jaka bekitmu. Ya kini ke service la pelat patba do ba AL-Hek Menteri ke Sorkar Jylla ha ka pratarik Nailur ha Shillong Press Club. Habakren hakini kesngi uba Don Bok promoter proprietor but chief operation jong katay ke service ulay thu baka jing temu jong habawan ra yakini ke Professional Designated Driver Services Shillong kadeban pelat ki passengers na ki jingma jing mensaw namar hakini kesngi labun pelat ki driver ki bangop ha kabam kadi buat palat put kenang banlat na kanu ke jingma lawan ra dakini ke service banchngan ki nonglet nangwan. Bat kini ki driver ki kloy ban syakri arpusaw kenta hakador rius pat tingka na kabenta pra kilometer. Kinu ki bedon kami ke service jong kini ki driver ki lak ban phone cha uniu number kendai ar lai saw iwe san saw iwe.
For being here, share this moment with me. I'm really happy for agreeing to and launch my project without even taking the time to ask me what it was about. Well, thank you so much again. It was very short notice. It was yesterday itself that we got in touch with Peit and kindly consented to grace the occasion and to launch this project. So a word on this project, what it is. The entity is Designated Driver Shillong. And as Bhavika has stated, and as far as I know also, this is the first of its kind here in Shillong at least. I don't know about other places beyond Shillong, but here in Shillong is the first of its kind. I provide drivers. I'm not an aggregator. I am just a service provider, a facilitator you can say. I provide drivers for people who have an urgent need of a standing driver. Like I can cite a few examples. Like someone leaves home in a car and goes for shopping, goes to maybe Police Bazaar, parks the car, goes to shopping and takes a fall, hurts the leg, and can't continue driving. So what do you do in that event? Call some friends, call some relatives who would be free to come over and help out. That would take a little time, and maybe someone who might be free might not be a professional driver. So I am the option. Give me a call. I will send a driver, a professional, vetted driver, and may I add that I have spoken with the SP in these years, and he has consented in spirit that all my drivers, including myself also, would be verified by the police. That is, we'll be undergoing the process of police verification. So whoever wants to use, whoever needs to use our service, can do so, knowing fully well that all of us will be vetted by the police. So again, give me a call, I will send a driver across to get you out of any situation where you would not be stuck due to anything that might happen that would make you unable to continue driving. So that's one example. Another example is like I've seen it. Someone, a new driver, may get into a situation, maybe a slight accident, but then panics, can't continue to drive anymore, and maybe staying very far from town. Well, it will take a long time to settle down and get someone to come over and get the vehicle go back home. So you can give me a call, I'll send a driver across to get that person and the vehicle safely to their destination. Getting the driver to the spot and picking the driver up from the destination, that's my problem. It's not the client's problem. And again, maybe lots of lady drivers nowadays. So in case someone, some lady driver is pregnant and goes into we call preterm labor, experience labor pains. So instead of risking, instead of taking any risk, let's stick with, give me a call, I'll get a driver across, and whether you want to go to the hospital or want to go home, that will be done. And the need of the hour, this is more critical need I see, is drunk driving at night. So many people do that. That way, I am also guilty of a few indiscretions in my time. But then, driving after getting drunk or intoxicated is never a good thing. But all this time we've heard so many accidents happening because of people getting drunk, but necessarily have to drive to get home. So they take chances and drive themselves home, putting the vehicle, putting other people also at risk. So this is an option. This is the option. Wherever you may be, whatever you may be doing, if you do attempt to have one shot too many, don't take chances. If you take, if you meet an accident, then you have to pay for your own vehicle, another person's vehicle, maybe pay for any injuries sustained by yourself or some people. You cannot take that risk. Give me a call and get a professional, vetted driver to you, and he will see you safely home. It is my problem to pick him up again after he's delivered to your home. Then this is what I provide: professional, dedicated driver service.
Also, is Parliament is a good friend of mine and also a brother to me, and also I'd like to thank him for inviting me as a chief guest for this program today. I'd like to thank DD, Jylla.Don, who has created a very innovative idea for designated driver in Shillong. It is first of its kind that is going to happen in our city. So the services today is a big industry. Everybody are looking for any kind of services. If we talk about this kind of services, the driver, we have seen that we are facing a lot of congestions in Shillong, and we have no parking space, number one. Those are the self-driving individual driver. If they go with a family, when they go with the friends, where they will park the vehicle, because there is no specific identified parking space in and around the city. It's a very, very difficult, but this idea, I'm telling you, going to help tremendously, is going to help to everyone. This kind of services. It's a unique idea, I'd like to tell you. Today, if we talk about, for example, so many people are going out for the party, they're going out for dinner, they're going out for anniversary, they're going out for birthday, so many, and so on and so forth. Many they want to go without driving their own vehicle. Because we don't know the night when they are coming back. There's so many traffic on the way. So they want to be free. If they have this kind of facilities, this kind of services, they just call what here by unfortunately I didn't see any free call numbers where they can call you by the number.
Yeah, there is a number, specific.
You have to give, right? Because launching today, we have to see also that today only we are launching this very, very designated driver Shillong, very innovative scheme with complete call free call numbers. If you have, then you can give me, then I can announce us at the same time.
It's not a toll-free number. It's a number.
Announce and launch also at the same time.
Right.
So this kind of services which I told you regarding the people are going for different program, especially at the night time. They don't want to go for driving. They want to be free when they take with a family for any anniversary party out within the Shillong or outside the Shillong. They want to be free by themselves. They will just go sit in the car. Driver is already there, designated driver, which is identified and secured with the confirmations of the administration, the confirmation of the police. Everybody has to be secured. The driver has to be secured, the car has to be secured, those who are going to take the car also has to be secured. So this is, I'm telling you, the services is one of the big industries today. It's creating employment. And thank you to you, Madam. You are creating innovative, not only innovative ideas, but you are creating employment for so many unemployment drivers, those who are around the city. There's no employment for them. I am sitting in my office at home, in the office of secretariat. I've seen so many people are coming for job. There is very, very difficult to give job for everybody. No government can give job to everybody. We need this kind of people. You need this kind of our friend mother-in-law to creating the innovative idea to create more job, more facilities to more that people can at least get their security. So therefore today we are very happy to launch this designated driver. In Shillong will be immensely benefit for all the people, not only those who are residing in Shillong, but also for the people not in Shillong. They can call anytime. They can call in this number 923341541. This is the number they can call anytime. For this kind of services will be provided to all who are required and those who are needed. So thank you very much. Today I am very happy. I am in the Shillong Press Club. What I am briefing for beautiful, innovative projects, which I really like it. But I am not going here to give any briefing of a part of this program.
Usamla damat panglingdo ubajile akai football na Bengaluru FC ulami no na kenika club bat ula penyeso no bat ke Shillong Lajong FC ha ke pratarik Nailur. Usamla damat panglingdo ude usamla badang khat kendai snem kerta ulapin I perthaya la kisap ki pong ha ki babun ke lumpung ile akai football ki bakentup ya ke ISL ke lumpung ya keni rung ha ke AFC Duran Cup bat ki wei. Uni usamla usyong usa ha umlingka apa Shillong. Ka Bengaluru FC kadai ka wei niki kenhun ile akai football batebet jongkari India. Nakaliang kinong penyat ya ke Shillong Lajong FC kiladap da ke jingkemen ban pediang dekot ya usamla damat panglingdo aga kenhun jongki. Lakmi lenti bada ke jingdon jong ni usamla kini ke tim kan wanra bat kentiu kerdan ya kala jong syeki kenjang bahajrong haki benai ki snem banwan. Kaseng Nyotrep Achik National Movement HANM kala kentui kontraktor ki bapentrai ke skul JNV Maulangwir Southwest Khasi Hills ban penbiang ye ki kot kisla na ki bor senchar jong ke Jylla ye ki nong tre ki bawan na bar Jylla. Uba lambok star Marwen nyong yalam kete keseng ulalit jurep ye ki jing tre ha kani ke skul bat ula syem be ki don kendiat ngut ki nong tre na ke Jylla bat ki don bon ngut ki banabar Jylla ulaong. Uni unong yalam ula kentui kinong penyat ikini ke skul ban petha iki kontraktor bagi day ban penbiang iki kot kisla ni ki bor senchar shwaban wanra ikinong train na bar Jylla. Kinong yalam kini keseng kila maham ting baladalap hadin bakini kinong tray kim don ki kot kisla ki babiang keseng kansele da kebating
Nakalian kajungi ki dekat jangka SNM Southwest ngiawan naka isi wan ban chat ikini ki kot kisla ni hako jenui dia keba ngi kum kaseng ta ngi layo jengtip sibun ba ki barjala ki ba trai hangne bat ngilawan ta hangne ban pet hotspot nak ta ki nong trai bat ha kajinglap kajungi kidon ki bru ki bala biang ki kot kisla bat kidon pat ki bom pat biang te katkum kajing ya kren kajungi bat u mendejar umdan hanin reng su yo bat ban ya phone nrai ngila yo ya kajing ya kren mendejar kasi bat reng ne baki kot kisla dan bat u te ngin sawan biang hakine ki sisngi asngi ngin wan check ikta ki kot kisla lada ki mla ban pendit biang ya ki kot kisla sisngi asngi kumba uang bam tang adon hasilong te lada ki mla ban penbiang na kalian kajungi ngin sapha ni phaino ya gini ki nong trai barjala ki bom biang ya ki kot kisla te hakaju kaporo ni iba hang ni mentang ni wan hang ni ki nong trai khasi ki jungi ki trai ri ki trai mulu kim biang kim yadon kita ki nong trai ki jungi ni lap ki don tang kumba laingut songut ya ke ba la Khubor da ki nong trai hang ni ba khasi ki don tang laingut songut ndrai na kalian ka jungi ni kentu ya kane ya ki ni ki nong peniat ba peniat ja kane ka kanika kam hang ni ba la kumnu ba kin dai ban penbun ya ki paradok prasnam kejungi ba atat ba ki dai ki khasi ki nong pet kane te la kumnu ki khasi ki jungi kin ya kaju persen bat kini ki barjala ndrai hajing shisha no du mshwa bang wilayah kren hakpor ki mshwa ba la kumnu ki trei ki nong trei khasi ki jungi kin long pra 100% u barjala 100% u khasi ki jungi ndrai ka pausai hang ni ba sibun ki dai ki barjala ndrai hagaju kapor na kalian gajungi ni maham ye kini ki nong trei ba la kumnu ki dai ban penbun ya ki nong trei khasi bat hagaju kapor ba kim dai ban knyat ya taka dor lanika bainong sngi jongki paradok personam gajungi ki dai ban ya ai ya kata ka dor sngi ke ba ki paradok personam gajungi ki ya bela kata si sngi yim dai ban ya ai haki dor di batat barkatum kajing tip kajungi ba ngi iba hakajing sotu kajungi ba ki khasi hang ni ki duna nomar ka rit palat ka dor ban ai ki nong sngi nomar ngi iba hang ni ki nong trei barjala ngi sotu ba ki barjala hang ni ki wan trei da ki dor ki barit ndrei ni kermen scam baleng ba kan ni kajing wan suspect kajungi ba kan long ka ba siso ban ai ya ta kajing job ya ki paradok personam kajungi ba ki wan trei hang ni bat hakaju kaporu la kumnu ba ki nong trei khasi kajungi bakin ya trei da kajing ya sethu jingmut bakin nong peniat omdai bakin long da kanu ka jing ya bom ya singuthu dari kermen scam long ba kajing wan kajungi bakin long ki ba ya sethu batrei ya kanu ka benta kumbang ya buram kum ki para breu ni dai banyak buram lang ya kamru hakanu ka benta te kan nong trei hang ni apa piwan ra ya ki breu ki banabar bidai ban penbiang swa ya ki kot kisla haswa bakin wan rung hang ni hapo ka jaka kejungi kenang ba ki weiru kim nom ong ya pi lada ja bawan ki wei ki nong trei lan ki NGO ki bawan hang ne la kim biang ki kot islam menta ki la beno ndrai menta na kalian kejungi ai por tang tai sisngi bangin sawan la sai ne la sisngi bangin wan pet kum ba ong menjar bang dan tang ne tingin sawan ban cak kita ki kot islam baro bat min kermas scam baling ba kajing ya trelang kermas scam kan onra ya kajing job
Kinong rep nyau trep na lightly kishnong Durga Chera Durbintila Badabinala nakathain Kachar district jangka Assam kilayo ya ko hukum ban sange no ya karep karyang ne kite ki jaka namar kide ki klau bat ki jaka jangka sarkar Assam kinong rep nyau trep kilay thu ba kilayo ya ko hukum ban mi no na kite ki jaka bat ladakim ko ngu ki bor jangka Assam forest ringkat bat ki pulit Assam kin kendang ni ki da kabor wat iki ying shong ying sa ru la berthen ban rat na phang kinong rep nyau trep kiladap da kajing ting jing sir bat kajing du nong kan long ka bajur haduk kata kinong rep nyau trep ki basyang basa ki te kishnong bat bon haki wei pat kishnong ki em da ka barep banne bon snem kum karep tempo kwai so trun so merit yong so merit klau so nyamtra pai sensar trau bat belai kerhai ki wei pat ki marep tang kata kiri kisiar kihan kiblang kimasi kisnyang ban kintiu ya kayo kakot hakaying kasem nekini ki kam bekitrei kinong rep nyau trep ha district Kachar kibet kibyang kidap kaja kadokha ka sarkar Meghalaya kadai ban shim ye kajingkit kli ban ye kren bat kibor jang ka sarkar Assam halor kani kajing jang kinong rep nyau trep ha kithan Kachar district kabala ban pur shakiwei pat ki jaka jang ka Karimganj bat kithan haflong namar kidon bundli kishnong basyang basa kinong rep nyau trep
Kan ba lies name lenter ngile ya kene ka thong ngilai ngut kirong ba snong ngat lai jaka ka snong ngile ya kene ka kam henry ha ka ba khadu ngisngau ba ngila du no ya ka jing sitom ba ka jing tre sitom jongi na ka banta ki tempeu ki kwa jongi tingale na ka banta ka kam ka kes jong ka high court hadin kata ba kumno kajingle kajongi bat kajingle jong ko sarkar jong ka high court kilapan stay ya ka office banom lej or ya ki kwai ki so jong kitnar hangne hanre kumno kine ki department par ki yele ki sim bentalang ban yo kabu ya kane ka competition jongi ki baduk ki basenjing de kilawan bat kiloot kila penjulor hakasnong dorbin tila hasnong dibinala kila dep nadu mansua bat hasnong durga sara kila dep arteli kita war kila dep tre la dep pom barok kiding barok kikwai henrei mentapat hagane kalai puwe terik ubna jong agos kasngi pale kila le jubor le thombor hakasnong dorbin tila detang kata ngai kuble ya phi sibun phi kinong tre jongi kum ka jing pha jong uble ulo pasiao ha ka donor ka jong phi namar ba philawan hadu kanne kalanti ka bachna tanggung ta kuble sibun ya phi baro
katen jonga na de uhni suciam snong na ka de debi nala kani snong na de hetmen na yo peteng na laut na pa yo peteng na mama ban mun swai ida imama ele song silong hakne port empat don DC office ang port men berim ngam la ban siam ye kisnem na sutrai mu mala na kisnem samtho samtho kunta ele song silong bat kisu rep lengkha kumtok rep yo sola kuba im kata por kene ka highway lo kampat don tang keren iya de ke buhur ban phar sekarel kita itu kita pa wo in medim pak ye kene karel lu ti hakta por ke bak ki ye kene karel ti sikit ye por ye keren dikit mau dikit khau dikit unto ki ya rap ha por bak ki karel nem pra pheo le prau ke we kene ka highway ka layat lai na ne harin atndai pra pheo hadin kata prapusau na prapusan ka forest ka wan bansong office sakto ban bakap ngilodon swa iya ka forest ba ngilodon swa da kata ka por hareng ngilodon kita di berim bat hadin kata kai penmon kita papa imama papa lo na sarkar haflong kata ka por manswa ka kene ka hap di masau bin tayo kada hap en sihil haflong pemen uyo snem nya poat hadin kata bat forest ona kaliyo kami song hanto snem prapusau na prapusan hadin kata ke dunia kut ka distrik kachar ba distrik haflong ka lahap kachan hadin kata bapa yo nga ila yo pemen pat na sinsan ini giding yak dan berapa bahasa apply sesuatu nggak berapa sesuatu besar kita belum story berbuat kita
na kaliang jong nongilam jong kedo somai ini minta dasni ni awan ban kejat ban ye kenduru ke tinong lab badan hakilai di isnong apo kasnong asam kabaha apo kasap istri bat kini kilai kini isnong tiada tentuk yang ka durga cira dabin nala bat ka durbin dila kini kilai tadi isnong kibagi nongat nakadong kathan ke jungi nakadok senam ke jungi kide ki balawan shong senam pateng laga pateng hakani ka jaka bat kide ru ki nongrap ki bapakka bat ki barep lo kwai tempo ya kakat ki so bat ki ki jing thung jing tap ki ba kila im kila he lasan hakani ki shong tau jingwan ke jungi shani bang ya kendu yaki kadai halor ka jingyo khubor bat nakaliang jo ki nongrap nakani ka po asam kila phone chi kinong yalam jogi ban wan yarap lam namar ba kidon ye ka jinge ka ba kiyo ya ka city ba naka sarkar asam ha ka ba kawan kani ka hydro project ka ba ki penya ya ki post line ka ba ka nanta ka surop ka ba ki nang snat mai te kumta kala don ka jing punjulor ka ba shirkai ba ya ki kwai ya ki tempo jong ki nong rap ka jong the day halor ka jing shong sir ka jong ki nong rap ki baran ha kani ka jakat kila karpat yangi kum ki nong yalam banwan jingo iki ke kalong ka iki ka bas mutanat habang ya kendu iki mata kasngi but banyo smawru ya ka history ka ba ki nong shong snong ki baran ha kani ka snong kila smaw ba kani ka jaka kala long thik kum la ka snong ka jong ki ka ba ki la kha la he la san la pon iki ha kani ka jaka tika khubor ka basai ka bangila shim ya ka rai menta kasi hadi hapo committee kalong ba nakaliang jong ka hill soma union na po Meghalaya haringkat ka jing sokhia bat ki nongrep nangni na po lai television in tho ya ka city sha chief minister jong ka Meghalaya ba unshim khia ha ka bedei bat ka ni ka jing e ka bagi parado ka parasnam ki jungi kia kendo hang ya po asam ka baar in tho ya ka city bat lada niyo ya ka appointment in nek ya ka bani kendo ya u chief minister jong Assam u Himanta Biswa nakabenta ban pinsno ya ka ni ka jinge ka baki ni ki nongak ki jinge ki kendo nakaliang jong hel somayan ngin sara ro ya ka city bat ban pinsno ya ka ni ka jinge ka baki nongak ki jinge hangne po Assam ki kendo sha u home minister jong ka India u Amit Shah ji bat sakawai ikwaru ya kabangin ya kendo ya minister juga agriculture uba dei banpek ya karap karyang hapo Assam nakabenta bakini kiding kwai ki bala syapom bakini ki marrep ki bala do haki jaka ki baki nongrep ki jongi kila thum chitam kila panjawi ka sep ka jongi ni karpat ya ka sarkar Assam bakadei ban seal compensation ya baro kini ki marrep ki baki nongrep ki jongi kila do nong nakaliang ke jongi kunti nongrep na po Meghalaya idon ke jingi teli bagi aimen siumru yakin nongrep ang po Assam bangindon ke jingi long koi la kalong hakas ngosi la kalong hakas sipa bat kumjuru haka kemen ke semua nakaliang juki nongrep insa bagi nongrep na kwa ban pha ikani ke khubor bangim kwa bakinu kinu kijing yo nong jongo ban pen ya klap no lane ban pen ya pher ban pen dot kata jing smo pher hapden nongrep na Meghalaya nongrep na Assam nongrep na Nagaland nongrep na Manipur nongrep na Agantara ere ka kwa ban pha igani ka khubor ba baro nongrep hanot is nim long kowei ba baro ki nongrep nim dan ka thong banginang penhe ka rep ban besabam hakari
Bat dak itu ki khubor ngila poi syakabakut tat hadu bangide syambiang keblai shibot.